What's the deal, YouTube? It's Butchie360 back at it again with another video. Today's video is gonna be about how to tie your do-rag. I've been getting a lot of comments and a lot of people DMing me like, how do you tie your do-rag? I'm a beginner, I'm new at this, I still don't know how to tie it. I'm getting a headache, my brain is choking, I'm tying it too tight, I'm tying it too loose, my do-rag falls off while I'm sleeping. Well, right now in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to tie your do-rag properly, and make sure it's on tight and make sure it's like smooth. You see how I got this do-rag on? Everything's smooth, it looks good, stretched out. This do-rag is by Kiss, so yeah, let's get into the video. All right, as you can see, I got the do-rag on. I'm gonna come off the do-rag and I'm gonna try a couple on. I'm gonna put a couple do-rags on. I'm gonna show y'all how I tie my do-rags. That way I can get the hang of it and get an example, because I'm gonna put on like 4 to 5 different do-rags, and that way y'all can learn. And that way I can learn even better how to tie my own do-rag. So let's come out the rag. I'm currently on 7, finna be on 8 weeks of woofing. So it's getting crazy out here. It's getting crazy. It's getting crazy, man. But let me just show you the waves. Let me just show y'all, man. Show y'all the waves. I ain't showing nobody. I'm fresh out the rag, so. Alright. Just wanted to show y'all the waves real quick. But look, I'm gonna show you how to tie your do-rag. Make sure you have a do-rag. Go get your do-rag or take your do-rag off and we finna do it. So look, I got the do-rag. Wanna make sure everything is straight. Make sure everything is straight. And you wanna make sure the stitching is outside the rag. You see this stitching part right here? You wanna make sure this is always outside. Because if you have it inside, you will have a line. Like this morning, I had it on wrong because I fell asleep late last night, so I hurried and threw my do-rag on, and as you can see, you can kind of see the line. But I fixed it when I woke up. So you want to make sure the stitching is outside, not inside, or you're gonna make that same mistake I did, but I was half asleep. As long as I had my do-rag on, I was not about to unrag and mess up my waves. I just threw the do-rag on quick, make sure I had the rag on. Anyways, make sure the stitching, it looks like the stitching should be inside, just the way it looks, but make sure it's out. Always make sure it's out. All right, you want to put it on. I got the stitching out. I'm gonna put it on. I want to make sure it's nice on there, feels good. Then you want to put it low, put it back. Make sure that line is in the middle. Then you want to wrap it around. Make sure you got it. Pull it down in the back. Make sure you just pull it down in the back. That way it tightens up and it's hugging your waves. You want it to hug your waves. You want to tighten it. Not too tight and get a headache, but you want to make sure it's on there pretty tight. Then you want to grab whichever side first, whichever side you're comfortable with. I'm gonna grab my left side, my right side first. Wanna put it around. See that? See how clean that look? And if you want your do-rag to be on super clean, you gotta take your time with it. Or unless you a pro and you throw it on quick and it's no problem. You wanna grab the other one. You wanna hold this side still. Wrap it around. It's like 2 hands. You can't really do it with one. You need 2 hands. And you wanna turn around. Tie it. Tie it like a bow, kinda. And then tie it. As long as it's tied in the back, really. And you see how I did that? That's how you tie your do-rag. And then you got some people that, see me, I tie this too. I don't really like letting it hang. I don't know, it just depends. But you could tie it, you could let it hang, you could do whatever. But I just tie it like into a little knot. That way it's just, you feel me? It's cool. So this is the first do-rag I put on. You see how clean it looks? It's how to tie a Durag tutorial. You see that? You see that stitching? See how clean that look? I know I need a head edge up. I know I need a haircut. I'm currently on 8 weeks of woofing. The woof ends December 10th. My 9-week woof. So you see that? It's on there pretty good, right? Alright, let me get the other Durag. Alright. I'm gonna try this Durag. It's a baked Durag. I'm tired for y'all. I see the waves though. I've been putting in that brushwork. Hey, I've been putting in that brushwork. I know I keep putting my head down. I'm proud of myself. But like, look, make sure the stitching is out. See, this one you can't really put it on with the stitching in, or it's gonna be white, and this is not how you wear it. So you make sure the stitching is out. You wanna put it on. This Durag is very stretchy. Look at it. Tight. Oops. Let me take my time, because this is a stretchy Durag. Want to make sure it's in the middle. You can have it to the side. It's all depends how you want your Durag to look. If you want it looking cricket, if you want it looking to the side, hey, that's how you like it. You're gonna grab this. Roll that up, because you don't want it to just be rolled down. You feel me? You wanna hold this side. Like I told you, you wanna wrap this side back around. And putting on a Durag, you don't have to rush and put it on. There's no time limit. There's no nothing. Take your time, like I am. I'm not in a rush. I'm not trying to beat nobody's deadline. I'm not in a race. I'm taking my time because I like the way I want my Durag to look good on me. I don't want it to look like I just woke up and my Durag is way to the side. I want it to look kind of good on me. But I don't know. That's just me. I want my waves to look good. I want my Durag to look good. The back, I don't really care how the back looks, but the back gonna look like the back. You want to put a tail back so it can tighten up and make sure it's compressed, and you want to make sure it's good. So at the back, I just pull it back and let it tighten up. As you can see, it's on there pretty good. It's on there pretty tight. It's not going nowhere when I wake up, and it looks good. It looks pretty good. Fix that. Looks pretty good, looks pretty good. Usually I'll tie this or I'll let it hang. It doesn't really matter. You could tuck it. But look, let me grab my mirror so you guys can see. Look, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's on there pretty tight. You can see the waves busting through the rag. But yeah. It's on there pretty good. I'm gonna do one more Durag for you guys. If you guys can get the first one, if you guys can get the second one, I'm gonna do another one. And I'm doing 3 different types of Durags. The first Durag I did was a silky, was by Kiss. This rag is like a bait rag. And it's really stretchy. Like this is really, look at this. This is really stretchy. So this one was a little bit harder to put on because how stretchy it was and how long it is. I'm gonna do another Durag this next little scene. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Now this Durag is it's really not a stretchy. I don't know what type of Durag this is, but I liked it because it's a money Durag. It's pretty cool, it's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. But yeah, let me show the waves again. I gotta show them before I put the wave cap on. But yeah, Let me show you how to throw this one on. This was just a regular do-rag. It's not really spectacular. It's regular. It's pretty cool though. It's not too much. It's not too basic. It's cool. So you want to make sure you slide this on. And these are 3 different types of do-rags I did. These are all 3 different types. You see the strings are small. They're skinny. It wasn't like long. Like you could do it, but it's not gonna really look right. But yeah, this is the money do-rag, man. It's the money do-rag. I'm gonna put it around. Pull it back. Once you do this and grab these 2 with your left hand or right hand, whichever hand you feel comfortable with. With your other hand, you want to pull the tail back. You want to pull it back. You want to pull the tail back to tighten it, to make sure everything is on there tight. After you do that, you want to grab each. You want to put this around left or right, whichever one you want to do first. Make sure this is pulled down. You see how I did that? Oh, I did it wrong. My fault. Messing up for y'all. You want to put this around. I forgot to grab it. Forgot this ain't no stretchy. You want to make sure it's evened out. It's not too tight. It's on there right. And you want to tie it. I'll tie it for you on the back. You want to tie it any little knot or any little height, however you want to tie it. Just make sure it's on there. Then you want to pull the tail one last time to make sure everything is tight and everything is compressed. You could let this hang or you could tie it. Like I told y'all, you could do it however you want, as long as it's comfortable. But as you can see, it's on there pretty good. It's the money do-rag. This is one of my favorite rags just because it motivates me to get off your butt and, hey, go make this money. It's money, easy money to be made. You just gotta go out there and get it. So this motivates me right here. Keep me going in life and just keep me grinding. It keeps me grinding on YouTube. Y'all be surprised what rags do and what brushes do and what certain stuff do to motivate certain people. So this is what motivates me to go hard in life and keep me grinding. But yeah, this video is about how to tie your do-rags. And I did 3 different types of do-rags too, just to help you guys out, because not everybody got the same do-rags I got. They all got, it's different do-rags that you guys have. So just make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I'm try to get this video to 100 thumbs. Comment what you think. Comment what videos I should do next, and I will make them. Because y'all been wanting this video for the longest. So I hope I get 100 thumbs up, because man, a lot of y'all been on my butt like, hey Anthony, hey Bucci, can you do this do-rag? Can you tell me how to tie a do-rag? Can you tell me how to put grease in my hair? Like, stuff like that. It'd be the basics, but me, I'll make a video on it just to show you guys, because I'm a good role model. But yeah, this video is about how to tie your do-rags. Let me come out the rag one last time so I can show y'all. I love showing my way, especially when you know you've been putting that work in. Why not show them? Why not have a little fun? You feel me? Why not? Why not? Why not? I can't wait to cut off this wood. But yeah, man, it's Bucci 360, and this video is pretty much over with. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I love y'all, man. Bucci gang, we out.